This video demonstrates how to determine when you began following an Instagram user. To find this date, first open the Instagram app. Then access your Instagram profile. Click your profile. Then select Following. Locate the desired user and click on their name. And tap the three dots at the top of their profile. Select See Shared Activity. Here you will be able to see the date you started following them, and, if applicable, the date they followed you. Questions may be submitted in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe.